In this video, I will cook a simple dish using Spam and cut green beans. If you decide to try this recipe, leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. Enjoy the video. For this recipe, it requires only 6 ingredients: Spam, butter, soy sauce, light brown sugar, garlic, and 5 cans of green beans.
On the Spam, I use 5 slices, but you have the option to use more or less Spam. Fry the Spam until it's crispy on both sides. Enough garlic so you would have 4 tablespoons. Drain 5 cans of cut green beans. Here I'm dicing the Spam. In a bowl, you will mix the following ingredients: 1 cup light brown sugar, 2-3 cups melted butter, and 2 tablespoons soy sauce and garlic. Place the green beans in a 9x13 baking dish. Then on the top, spread the Spam throughout the beans, and with the mixture, pour the mixture on the green beans and Spam. Place the green beans in the oven for 40 minutes.
Alright, 40 minutes has passed by. And here's how it looks. It's nicely done. I'm going to pull it out now. Here's the finished product. I'm going to let it cool off first. It smells delicious. We'll wait about 15 minutes and then we'll do a taste test. Spam with green beans. Alright, it's been about 10 or 15 minutes, so now I'm going to try it. Alright, so Spam with cut green beans. It's delicious and very easy to make. So I highly recommend you trying this. It's really easy, something easy to make. So I want to thank everybody or everyone watching this. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. And subscribe if you want to. And click on the notification bell if you want to join me on future adventures. So in this one, Spam with cut green beans. And I always say, when possible, go outside and explore. Thank you for watching.